Introducing our new mental health two-spirit LGBTQIA+ residential treatment program at La Ventana.
4-panel animated quadrant showcasing interior and exterior views of contemporary house. 2/LGBTQIA+ mental health treatment.
This initiative honors the rich history and ongoing struggles of the rainbow community by providing an affirmative and inclusive environment.
Planning across living room with contemporary sofa and couture.
In our residential treatment center, clients can find safety, acceptance, and understanding in a welcoming sanctuary. We offer a comprehensive range of services including individual therapy, group sessions, and holistic wellness activities, all tailored to meet the unique needs of the 2S LGBTQIA+ individuals.
Another bedroom with 2 twin-size beds.
Our dedicated team of professionals is committed to fostering healing, growth, and resilience, ensuring that every client feels seen, heard, and valued.
Exterior patio with seating area and lush plants. Large pole and more seating. U-mud exterior front of house. La Ventana Treatment Programs. www.laventanatreatment.com. Intake 800-560-8518. Now white type over vintage footed. Highlighting specific events in history, as well as challenges in progress, ongoing in the rainbow community. La Ventana is here to support you every step of the way.